would like to recall some formula to do best in mathematics practices. Formula for geometry, formula for algebra, formula for functions and equations, and formula for circular functions and trigonometry. Look at the screen. Area of a parallelogram. The formula of the area of a parallelogram equals base multiplied with height. Area of a triangle is equals half into base into height. Area of a trapezium is half into a plus b multiplied with height, where a and b are the parallel sides. Area of a circle equals to pi r square, why r is the radius, and you can get the value of pi from by using your calculator pi button, or you may use 3.14, the value of pi. You may use 3.14, or you can use instead 22/7. This is the value of pi. Circumference of a circle denoted by C, capital C, equals to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Volume of a pyramid, V equals to 1/3 of area of base into vertical height. Volume of a cuboid, length into width into height. Volume of a cylinder, pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. If you get the diameter instead of radius, then you need to use diameter. We know that radius equals to half of the diameter. So instead of r, then you need to use d over 2. Or the diameter, if the diameter is given, then you have to use over here pi dh instead of r. You will need to use the diameter. Area of the curved surface of a cylinder, 2 pi rh. Volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of a cone, 1/3 pi r square h. And distance between 2 points, when one point is given x1, y1, and the second point is given as x2, y2, then the distance between 2 points, the formula of this is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That is first point, difference between first points and the difference between second coordinates. Actually, these are the coordinate points. Okay, now go to the next slide, next page. Coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment with endpoints x1, y1 and x2, y2. For finding the midpoint of a line segment, the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. Now, solutions of a quadratic equation. The solutions of quadratic equation, when the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then you can use the formula for quadratic equation. X equals minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. So these are the important formulas you need to use. Okay, now go to the second topic, algebra. Exponents and logarithms. When you get exponents and logarithms problems, then you will need to use these formulas. These are the formulas you will know. I'm just recalling you for the better practice of this. Okay, if you see, okay, a log of ax, we can write it like this: a to the power log can be become the power of a. Okay, log a xy equals, instead of that we can write log a is the base, log ax plus log ay. If you get two properties, two values with division, log x divided by y, then you can use the formula log x minus log y. Log a mx xm, okay, the power of x can be turned to the first, come to the first, m log x. And if you get log ax, log of bx divided by log of BA. The base should be changed here. Now functions and equations. Axis of symmetry of the graph of a quadratic function. Axis of symmetry, then you can find the value of x equals minus b over 2a. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. Equations of a straight line y equals mx plus c. Gradient formula. Gradient is expressed by using m, a small m equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Axis of symmetry of the graph of a quadratic function. Same. Axis of symmetry, x equals minus b over 2a. Solutions of a quadratic equation, same formula, it's written here. Exponential logarithm. Okay, now come to the circular functions and trigonometry. Length of an arc, area of a sector, identities, tan theta equals, sec theta equals, cosec theta equals, then cosine rule, sine rule, and area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, half AB sine C. These are the formulas I have collected over here. Whenever you need to practice mathematics, you have to keep on mind all the formulas. Thank you.